Hello everyone, this is Sophie Modise, a member of MMM from Johannesburg, South Africa. Today I want to share with you the ideology of MMM. The modern world is bad. It is inhuman, unfair and unjust. It is a world of money. It is not for people. It is for those who produce this money. For bankers and financiers, government and millionaires and people are mere pawns in this game. They just serve them as attendants. Bankers work less and earn 100 times more. Labor lies behind the social welfare. But why do bankers live 100 times better than common people who really work hard? Bankers do not work hard. They do not even produce any material values as opposed to the workers. And we are ordinary people having no power or clout. Naturally, the banker lives better than we do. In fact, people are not equal in anything. People must join us in MMM. It is the best. In MMM, we provide help and we get help. It is the best ever. I'm very proud of MMM. Together, we can change the world. Thank you.
Yes.